Happy New Year. It's not officially Happy New Year with us right now. We're still probably, what time is it? Probably a little after 11, but we're getting there. I know for those of you that are maybe probably back home, it's already New Year's. Happy New Year's to you guys. And for those of us here in the mainland, especially here in Washington, hanging there. Hope you guys are doing great. And then we just want to wish you guys Happy New Year. And then hope you guys have a great New Year's coming up. And then, yeah. Right now we're just in the church. I'm a feel rabiotic. Just trying to get our fellowship together tonight as we close out the years. But what's important right now is I want to take this time on behalf of my family and my kids. I want to say thank you to all of you that have been supporting us throughout this year's journey. Thank you for your support and just your unwavering support to our family and our channel. So we'll see you guys in a few. I'm sorry I cannot speak louder because people are coming in, but yeah, let's go flock a little bit. Now we're gonna go flock just to see everyone who's coming up or who's coming to our fellowship tonight. Let's see. Merry Christmas. Okay. Happy New Year. Okay.
Happy New Year's.
Hey, it's not yet. It's not yet.
Oh, Happy New Year's Eve.
Okay, say something.
But,
Come here. Let's.
we're at our church right now. What time is it? 10:49. We got about an hour and 10 minutes maybe
Yeah.
until New Year's. I hope you guys have a great New Year's. Happy New Year's. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for all the support throughout the year. Continue to watch the videos and yeah. For the subscribers, thank you for the likes.
There you go. Okay.
Happy New Year's. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Oh, Mars, you have a camera? Okay, say your Merry Christmas or Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Wait. You gotta. Okay.
Happy New Year.
Okay. What
Merry
else?
Christmas.
I want to say thank you, Nidir,
Yeah, thanks for watching.
for supporting our channel. All right, Junjun. I was watching. Oh, boy. Why did I call you Junjun? My bad. Why did I call you Junjun? I'm like, boy. Thank you for. My bad. Thank you for. I was watching the last video we had on Christmas, and you made me laugh. And so thank you for, trying to get everybody to support the channel. I appreciate your.
Anyway, Happy New Year, and please like and subscribe.
You are boy.
No more choo-choo.
No more Junjun. Okay. Yeah. Who's back here? Oh. All right. I'm gonna show this group of Los Apis people. You heard me. I said los up. You guys want to say something?
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's. Auntie Chane, you want to say something?
Happy New Year.
Okay. What are you working on?
Just the fruit. Oh, you want more here? Just fruit.
All right. We're gonna go get ready. Huh? Okay. Oh, look out for this guy's album. It's coming up. Working on 2024 album, right? Rosen? Hello.
Hi.
I like your camera. You know, I always take people's picture, but nobody has ever taken my picture. Can you take my picture?
Yeah.
With my baby? Okay. Take a picture with my baby.
Do you want the flash on?
Huh?
The flash.
No, I don't want to use the flash because the flash is like putting on makeup. Right? No, I'm just kidding. No, it's up to you. Flash? No flash. It's. Wow. I like it. I like your camera, man. Let's see. Look at that. It's so sharp.
Wait.
Oh, got a cat. They're. All of these boys are really growing up really fast. And now that it's gonna be 2024, oh boy. You never know. Everyone is getting big, all growing up really fast. Yeah. Why is it so dark in here? Okay, we're gonna go start. We'll talk later, okay? It's not, what is it now? It's only what? 11:53? We're gonna start walking around to say Happy New Year. 7 more minutes. Okay, come on, let's go.
Still New Year's Eve, guys.
Okay. Let's go. Hey, we gotta say Happy New Year. Huh? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. New Year. Oh, should we wait? Huh? Huh?
Nicer.
Tapo rin. Ha? Yeah. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. You look familiar. Happy New Year. She works for Nike. You look familiar.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I know your dad. I know your dad. I also know your dad. I know your dad too. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Don't crush my mic, because my mic is right here, so don't crush it. Thank you very much. Oh, 5 more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes. Five more minutes. 5 more minutes to go. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Para positive sa rin.
Positive Davidson na rin na.
Happy New Year.
Look at this short girl. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Hello. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Hello. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Here's Uncle.
Here, son. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I don't know if they were crushing my. Wat een ratienknop. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I know your dad and mom. Jermaine. Jermaine. Where? Oh, you're sleeping. Okay. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. New Year. New Year. New Year. Oh, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Oh, siapa kapag kayo kay Christmas? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. New Year. New Year.
Peacock. Peacock. Peacock.
Happy New Year. Get it there.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. What's up? What's up? What's up? Happy New Year. Did I say Happy New Year already?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I don't think I have to. Okay. Happy New Year. Okay. Now it is 11:59. Oh boy. 11:59. Oh, Kari. Now this is our New Year's celebration, guys. This is what we do. Just. Oh, it is official now. We made it. We made it. We made it to 2024, guys. Made it to 2024. Ooh, thank you all for your support. Thank God, especially for the life. All right. We got Lee and Chris. They just showed up. Hi, Janice. How are you doing? Yeah. Happy New Year, Marl said.
Happy New Year's.
Now we have to go to the other side.
Yeah, we're gonna eat.
Baby,
Happy New Year.
did you get a chance to say Happy New Year to me?
Happy New Year.
I love you. Happy New Year. So guys, we're gonna go to the other side. We have refreshment setting up for everyone. So we're gonna go enjoy. Enjoy. So I'm gonna start taking my videos again, or pictures. So stay tuned, guys. If you have not watched the rest of our vlogs, please do so. Help us out. Go ahead and watch the rest of the videos for 2023, and then hopefully we'll have some more videos for the next coming for this new year. All right, fellas. Thank you. Emilio, can you go grab the mic and the podium out? Can you guys move it out? The mic and the podium, take it out. Atete. Aston, you can move out so I can. Oh, there's a lot of women, lots of female in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to take their picture. Mars, is there a chair back there so I can use? Yeah, breathe. Okay, I have to wait for this, guys. Iwe, takia ba pwede skiro bikan? This one. Ti, boy, cara pacak tu. Okay, you ready? Ngag. Iwe. Mana teh? Ti para gis cek karat, rupa cek gis kira. Ne pekin. Poe gis pallets. Ira, biats. Iwe. Mana teh? Sampo ketukit. Okay. Ira. So. Okay, now we gotta go see the Yabo Putebo. Oops. Hi, Narito. Did I say happy birthday? I mean, happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Hey, Happy New Year. How are you? There goes the princess.
I put my pepper, the Candid.
So, our time is, let me see the time. The time is 12:22 and we're just starting breakfast. Yummy. Yeah. There. Ooh, look at that. Can I have one? Oh, yeah. Beef it. Tatsi busok ko rin? Oh. Okay, I'll have one. Thank you. Mi carrero. Okay, let me sit you guys down here because I'm gonna eat. It's good. Oh, it's good. It's hot.
Okay,
It's hot, but it's good. Yep. Guys, this is ogeng. Ogeng rice. Very good.
Rossi, where's the Rossi? This is me and Doris' handshake. Ready? I'm trying to get him back.
I keep losing my face. I'm not sure what time it is with you guys, but right now it's almost 12:30 and the food just started. Okay, I'm gonna turn you guys off for a little bit. Okay, so we get good on. Ahora, cable di sa usapan mo para to catch off 50 fat. Chris, your soup is good. Thank you. Ayun. Get for Chris your soup. Kita fengo, raraben. Oh. Thank you. Ooh. Yeah. Kuku po, kupuato.
I want one of this.
Nitara, chocolate ta.
Yeah, I will add in the sirayu. I said, what's okay?
Bugat. Ah, bukarari. Isa po ang hipo. Herek ka na. That's my food.
Happy New Year, medicine.
No. Wait, let me track your face. Kira to kira.
Happy New Year, medicine. Happy family medicine on sewa. Pure 40 top carton. No pouco kufaru family medicine. And Happy New Year, so it was Sabato 2024.
Happy New Year, Sarwan. Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Where's Marcel? Oh, yeah. Who's that?
Say hi to the camera.
Who's that?
Oh, got his mouth.
Oh, hi. Oh, wait.
Happy New Year, Nani medicine. So very good.
Yeah, so, how many rounds? No, Margis. Porque se conoce más por el más Vicari.
Happy New Year to peace and serenity.
Okay. Vi ser David said me this also. Why you keep running away? Oh, look at this three musketeers. There's a monkey. There's a giraffe.
Then there's a baby.
There's a baby.
And those two are the birds.
Those two are the birds. Say your Happy New Year. Christy.
You guys like why? Why is your head sticky? What? Okay, go back.
Now we are so full, very full. No more space for food. Now I am going to go and take some pictures. And then I'm gonna put you guys down for a little bit. And then it's about to. Ito. Habiba, bye. Sabay puro safati. Puede que está ahí tapado. Puede ser blurry ever. Bye. Just move it. Okay, there you go. 1, 2. Hi, Chun. Boy. Why do I keep calling you Chun? Okay, there you go. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, that's good. Fayaka, okay, but you always help me. Yeah, come on, come down here. I have to take a picture of you so you can be also shown in that camera. Okay, scoot up a little bit. Come. Yeah, there you go. Okay, give me a good smile. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, and 3. All right. Thank you, boy.
Don't say that again.
Why do I keep calling you Chun?
Call me that.
Boy, yewe Chun wa tangin yon na. It's all right. It's all good. Sit you guys down. Yeah, Abio. What can I figure? Yeah, solo. Ikis miraro na kait. En. Ikan, ira. Okay. Ira. Got ready? 1, 2, 3. Ira. Baba, se puede. Ira. Airport? ¿Ya? Mira, there you go. Mira, there you go. There, that's good. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. Very good. Huh? Chicken.
Happy New Year's. We're officially in 2024. Thank God for another year. Hope you guys have a good year. Thank you for all the support throughout last year. Stay tuned for more videos, more music videos, more vlogs. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy New Year's.
Okay guys, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for watching our vlog for the first day of 2024. Hope you guys have a wonderful Happy New Year's. Thank you for your support. And if you have not subscribed, please make sure to like, share, and comment, and share our videos, and check out the rest of the videos on our playlist. All right, thank you guys. Peace out.